Your diet may not be the problem. You eat less. You exercise more. But the fat just won't go away. This happens to millions of people, and the real reason might not be your calories. It might be your hormones. In this video, we'll explore 5 warning signs that your fat-burning hormones may be out of balance. Understanding this could completely change the way you approach weight loss. The first warning sign is constant hunger. If you feel hungry shortly after eating, your hunger hormones may be out of balance. 2 key hormones control appetite: leptin and ghrelin. Leptin tells your brain that you're full. Ghrelin signals that it's time to eat. When this balance is disrupted, your brain may think you're starving, even when you've eaten enough. This can make dieting feel almost impossible. The second sign is stubborn belly fat. Even when the rest of your body loses weight, fat around the stomach may remain. One major reason is cortisol, the stress hormone. When cortisol stays elevated for long periods, the body tends to store fat around the abdomen. Poor sleep, chronic stress, and long-term dieting can all increase cortisol levels. This makes fat loss much harder. The third sign is a slow metabolism. If you gain weight easily and struggle to burn calories, your thyroid hormones may be involved. The thyroid plays a crucial role in controlling metabolic rate. When thyroid activity slows down, the body burns fewer calories throughout the day. This means even small amounts of food can lead to weight gain. The fourth sign is constant sugar cravings. If you often crave sweets or feel energy crashes during the day, insulin may be involved. Insulin regulates blood sugar and plays a key role in fat storage. When insulin levels remain high, the body has difficulty burning stored fat. Instead, it continues to store energy. The fifth sign is dieting without results. Many people reduce calories and increase exercise but still struggle to lose weight. This happens because the body adapts. When hormones shift to survival mode, the body tries to conserve energy. Fat burning slows down and weight loss becomes much more difficult. Understanding how hormones affect metabolism is essential for long-term fat loss. Weight loss is not only about eating less, it's about helping your body restore balance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more science-based metabolism tips. And don't forget to check the link in the description to learn more about supporting your metabolism naturally.